Salutations, dear friends. So this is your weekly reading ahead for January 18 till 24 for the year 2021. And this is your astrologer, Orena. So welcome. So the week of January 18, 2021, ladies and gentlemen, this is an important transitional week. And in the world of astrology, looking at the stars, it's an important week because there will be the conjunction of the planet Mars with the planet Uranus, and Moon will also be joining them. So around Wednesday and Thursday, the Moon, Mars, and Uranus will be together, joining each other, and there will be the conjunction. So it is an important week. It is quite dynamic. Sometimes it can be an explosive power, and sometimes it's a dynamic power which makes you move forward. But what you need to do in this week of transition is just tuning within, having the inner power, and standing strong and being stable, observing what's happening in the outside world. Remember, it is your own wisdom, knowing, and inner power which decides how to react for what's happening in the outside world, which is the true wisdom. So for our weekly reading ahead, the first card that showed up is the High Priestess. High Priestess is tuning within. As I always say, everything is inside you. Whatever is reflected in the outer world is actually a reflection of you. When you change anything within your heart, soul, memories, life, you can change what's happening to you in the outer world as well. So the key is always in your inner life, in your heart, and it's in your soul that everything is manifested. In this card, I would like to take your attention to the crescent, which is the waning crescent here. And there is the sparkling, lights in the air. It may also symbolize the snow and the cold weather and the freezing in the northern hemisphere, which happens in many parts in the world, in the northern hemisphere nowadays. So it may be cold, the weather may be cold, so please protect yourself. Just like this invisible blanket, the invisible, translucent blanket she has on her, cover your heart, soul, body, mind with the beauties and protect yourself. So there are some uncertainties, as also the moon showed up. The moon symbolizes the hidden factors that we don't know. It's just like the iceberg. There is a world not visible right now, which happens behind the scenes. So there are some transitional factors. There are factors that we don't know, hidden. And there are also some new opportunities, as well as the world behind. We are leaving a world behind. Some factors, some conditions are changing, but also a new world is being formed and created behind the scenes. It's not seen yet, but soon to be revealed. So there are some factors outside of you that you cannot change, and there may be some challenges, but you can overcome them by staying strong. This week, I want you to concentrate on number 8, which is the number of power and also linked with Leo. And I want you to stand strong, to have the full faith for no matter whatever is happening in the outside world, you are strong and wise enough. You are powerful enough to overcome any difficulties that come your way. So I want you to stand strong and having the full confidence, full faith that you're going to have a better future, better days, months, and years coming ahead. Remember, just like this Ace of Wands here, you are the master of your own life. You are the CEO. You are the manager, top manager of your own life. Nobody can manage your life. Nobody has the power to do so. You are the master. You are the director. You are the manager of your life. So have the power in your hands and start managing your life. Just like a CEO manages his own company to reach success, for full, success, for protection, for benefit, for having the goals to be accomplished. Just, tune within, tune into your core powerful heart, and have the magical wand in your hand to orchestrate, to manage your own life. You are the master, don't forget. Don't give the power of your life into any other person's hands. It is you who will decide for your happiness and for your own choices and for a better future in your life. So I want you to stand strong no matter what's happening. Just, be in the observer seat. Tune within. Feel the power within you. In the times of difficulties, anxieties, or any uncertainty, or any small or big challenge you come across in your life, I want you to have a peaceful, deep, comforting breath. And I want you to feel the powerful orange, burning, warm, almost like a fire, the powerful, warming fire color energy in your heart. And from your heart, spread it all to your body and to the aura around you, and warm your environment in the coldness of the northern hemisphere of the snow everywhere. You have the core power, like the core burning fire, okay? And as you do this, you have created the unlimited opportunities coming ahead. You're full, your cup will be full with all the opportunities, abundance, love, light, happiness, and you will be blessed by the universe because you have the right for all the happiness in the world as you are born, and ask and claim your right to be happy from the universe because you deserve it. Have the full deservingness, that feeling in your heart. And as you do this, look what happens. The result, the sun came out. It means that this is a promise for a better future coming up. Be a little bit patient because a better world is being created for you. Your future will be granted to be happier, more fortunate, more successful, more lovingly lightful, happy than the past, than the former times ahead. A happy time is being granted for you. So have the full faith, know that better times are coming ahead, and you have the power to turn all the challenges with your wise, stable attitude and abundance, happiness, success, and all the fortunate, beautiful times are waiting for you ahead. So the sun will be shining upon you. Okay, so have a nice week. Take good care. Keep warm. Keep your body and your heart warm. And may you be blessed with love, light, joy, happiness, and may the abundance of beauties pour in your life. Okay, have a nice week. Bye, Orena.